Yo, Bruno, thanks for the raid. Play game for fun, what's up? I still don't have my ping tuber plugged in. Can do that quick. Lorry break. I suppose that's a nice way to say it. What's up, Go West? Good to see ya. I really don't even know what you mean by a lorry break. I was assuming you meant the restroom, but that was just a guess. But your second recovery line makes me think it's not the restroom. Nice. Technology, it's always something. Nothing's ever easy. Last night I deleted all the HUDs off of this experience, Cheer for Gear, that I'm making, and it made all the HUDs break. So hopefully it works today. I did test it and it works on the map. So that's good. It worked when it was live. So I have to rebuild the HUD how I want to see it here. So what are the things we can see in this experience? We want to see our catwalk credits. We want to see what the theme is going to be. The active theme. We will call it the active theme. Make it large. Large in charge. I want to keep an eye on a variable called the loop timer. We'll make it small. What else? For now, I'm just going to keep track of models in the array. You know, that does make a lot of sense. Just have the IT guys work, save a lot of money. You should write a letter. So I have to rebuild the slot machine thing. Let's do that. Actually, Actually, definitely don't want to delete anything. But I can duplicate this, right? So we'll rename this to just like base HUD. Or we'll name it like just the base. I'm not going to delete that just to be safe for now. And we'll call this slots. So hopefully it already has this stuff. Yeah, that's good. So let's see if I can remember all the slot stuff. There's the current bet. The bet. Might be the bet integer. I don't get paid enough to solve the big problems like that, you know? I like to just stay in my basement. Make sure my kids get picked up from school. Pretty lucky. So this is your current bet. Just a second. I'll be right back. All right, we should be pretty good, I think. So we are rebuilding the slots. There's the current bet. And then there's like Rio 1. We'll make these as big as we can. Real 2. Whoops. Make this large. And then did I have last payout? Oh, you guys can hear Discord. Hello? Hola?
Hola.
Oh gosh. Buenos dias.
You hear me?
Yeah.
That's nice. Do you have any echo?
Not yet. And just so you know, we're streaming.
Oh, I was going to ask you if you were going to stream today. But you didn't tell me. It's Wednesday.
Well, Bruno finished his stream, so I started it up.
Let me check your stream.
I'm rebuilding the HUD system that I deleted yesterday.
How is it going?
I don't know. I haven't tested it yet. So if I add this, this is when you leave, right? I can turn it off. This is all you can do. So we're going to rename this to slots exit, I guess, or like off. Whatever. Slots exit. I'm not going to delete that. Okay. Now we can go into the rules and say that I want this on player join. I want another HUD. Enter slots. Then I want the slots HUD. And then another one with exit slots. And that's when we're going to slots exit HUD. All right. Bruno says hi to you, if you're still there. Might have lost power. Never know with Roxy.
You never know.
Or he's eating lunch.
I haven't lost power today.
Let me turn you
Was
down.
you checking?
Wait. Let me turn you down a little bit. You're extremely loud.
It's because I woke up with more energy than I used to.
Nice.
Just kidding.
Oh. Can you talk again so I can see your volume level?
Hello, hello, hello.
Alright,
Muito
that's good.
obrigado.
Thank you.
Hello, Bruno. How are you?
So, let's see if the HUD works. And the only other thing I was going to just put together a system where you buy it. Look, it was anime. The HUD popped up. So that's good. Current bet. Let's see if this works. So I have 10. Boop. 369. 758. I've been having just terrible luck. I never gamble, kids. Never gamble. There's a
Hello,
payout.
Huddle.
Nice. Huddle. It's good to see you.
Oh.
So I missed the door, so the game's probably going to break. And I'm just going to get rid of the loop and instead just have people start it or pay for it. I don't know. Do you think there should be an entry fee and that's how the pool is decided for people to get paid?
An entry fee.
Mm-hmm.
And what else?
An entry fee for entering each particular show. So the first person goes in and let's say it costs 250 catwalk credits.
Okay.
And so that's how you would build up the pool to give them. So if there's like 8 people, this ad's killing me. I might have to find something else. But like 8 people, 8 times 250, that gets a lot bigger than 2 times 250, you know what I mean? If maybe like first place takes it all, or we could probably do some math with first, second, and third, but I don't want to get too complicated.
Like the song.
Sing it.
I'm not gonna sing it.
Oh, by the way, I did try to add Guts as a ping tuber, but
And
I couldn't quite get the system I'm using to create 2 different ones at the same time. So I haven't quite figured it out yet. But you could put a ping tuber on your system and then send it to me on your virtual camera. If you ever wanted to do that and make your own guts. Or I could try to help make you guts. I kind of had it, but it's not quite right.
what do I need?
Well, like you see my guy,
Uh-huh.
you need 4 pictures. One with their eyes open and their mouth shut, and then their eyes open and their mouth open. And then just the same way around, you know, all 4 of the options that are there. Eyes open with mouth open and closed, and eyes shut with mouth open and closed. Those 4 pictures. You know what I mean? Anywho.
Anywho.
So what do you think? Should we do like 250 to get in?
Yeah, not too much.
Or
Because
100?
yeah, 100. Something easy to collect.
Well, I'm here by myself, but I'm at almost 1,000 already.
Nice.
All right,
What if
so
there is more people?
then they'd be fighting over coins, but you still get coins for idly being in the map. And then every 10 minutes you get to interact with the gift bag, or also you can do a dance. So, if I'm going to build a shop, where do I even start? I should have thought of this a little bit. Right now it's built around the loop timer, which I put a button right here. And we know Catwalk 0 resets it. Model Catwalk 0. That's what the message that starts it. Or ends it, I mean. And it's supposed to start the next loop. Right here, there's a trigger volume that gives people player needed messages every time they get close to this door. So you have to walk out of it and walk into it for it to happen. So people just standing here wouldn't get it. They'd have to walk out and walk back in, which isn't the end of the world. But this message is check portal. So there's already a true-false system built around this lock. And it's checking that true-false. So instead of a timer, it has to be a shop. This page is really big right now because I worked on this experience for a while yesterday. Roxy helped me. We put together a list of 30 different themes it can be now. So there's a bunch of rules on here. And that's all the different themes it can be. So now we can roll a random number between 1 and 28. And there's 28 different themes that it could be per game loop. So that's pretty cool. All right, so what's happening here? These are some timer rules that are supposed to perpetually keep my experience looping, but that doesn't seem to be working quite right. And also, I don't know if I just want the map running nonstop, but it probably should, though, because that's how it works in Dress to Impress.
Yeah.
Like, it just throws up a new theme. I'm torn between if I should go with a shop or if I should go with just a perpetual loop. What do you think is better?
I don't know.
Well, let's just say that we're not going to put together a shop. But make it not cost anything at this time, I guess. So, like, you can just walk up there. It'll be like, do you want to start a fashion show? And then it'll give people 1 minute or 2 minutes to get dressed, depending on what the theme is. So you just have to, like, start each game instead of trying to loop it at the beginning. Which is this timer loop 0. So, like, let's get rid of this. None. And none. So this is the perpetual loop. Oh, I think we lost Roxy. So that was the perpetual loop machine, these timers. But instead, I just... Roxy, are you back?
Yeah, I'm back.
So instead of using these timers, I just want to talk with the true false, I guess. So where do I do this even? Is it in the array checker? Model check. Let me just use the message inspector. Check portal. So we're gonna go check portal and say, hey, please help me because I don't remember what I do. And so you click there and it'll take you right into the rules where this check portal message goes. Just give it a minute or 2 minutes. Okay, so it was actually just, yeah, right there next to the other loop thing. Check portal, portal true false. Check portal true means it's locked and it's closed, which just gives you a banner. And if it's not, then it goes model check. So portal true false. Portal true false is right here and it gets turned off and on or false and true with timer loop 0 and timer loop 1. So that was the perpetual loop would turn it on, or would turn it off, I mean, so that the door would open. Loop 0 would hit this and start the game in 20 seconds, which would lock it back up. Okay. So we need to hit this message through the quote unquote shop or starter or whatever. Model catwalk 0 is what's setting up the randomness right now and trying to start it over again, which is not what we're going to do anymore. Okay. So we're not going to need 2 of these rules anymore, just 1. Roxy. How long do you think,
Hola.
Hola. How long do you think we should
How
give,
are you?
oh, thanks. I'm doing really good.
How are you?
I'm,
Oh, that's nice.
I'm having a good day today. Thanks for asking. How are you doing?
Dude, you just trying to follow you up.
Just follow me up.
Yeah, trying.
You're doing great.
I mean, I know what rules are, but I don't know anything that you're saying.
Oh, I'm just trying to help myself actually get it done. But Roxy, tell me, how
You have s-
long do you
to have
think
you have something to ask me?
I do? Can I ask you now?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, how long do you think we
Yes, you
should give
can.
how long do you think we should give people to
10
get
seconds.
dressed after they see the theme? And remember, they have to go through their inventory. Like, how well do you know your inventory? So imagine you have like
Mm-hmm.
25 to 100 assets in your wallet, and the theme is alien. How long do you think we should give them to go through their wallet and get dressed?
30 seconds to 1 minute. 30 seconds. 45 seconds.
45 seconds.
Go West says 60 seconds. Because sometimes glitches. There are glitches on the inventory.
All right, 60 seconds.
Yeah.
We'll go with 60 seconds to start. So it starts, you get the theme, you get 60 seconds, and then the portal will open. And it's unfortunate that I have to do that where people walk through, but that's how I build the array. And then, so people have like 20 seconds to run into the portal and get up there. So essentially you'll have 80 seconds for the game to start, right? Because you could still get 20 seconds to run into the door. You know what I mean? Or
Yeah.
if you don't want to play that round, like you get a theme that you don't want to play that round, you don't have to go in the door when it unlocks. Okay, so we just need this message to hit the first time loop, and we need a message to instigate the RNG. So this board is super full and I don't enjoy working on it anymore. So let's make a new board. What'd you have for breakfast today?
Egg sandwich. With mozzarella. It's something quick and easy that I can do. And tomato. And tangerine juice.
Wow. Where am I putting those? It's already in there. I had coffee today.
But just coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing else.
Also water.
Mm.
Like
You
a big
give me
glass
more
of water.
energy, I think. Coffee and a piece of chocolate.
I made myself
Chocolate.
pizza last night. I don't send you the pictures anymore because it makes you too sad. What am I even doing here? I have no idea. So where should we start this?
From the beginning.
You just want somebody to start a show over here?
Yeah.
So
Your stream trash or is just my...
I have not dropped a single frame.
Oh, so something on my end. Probably. Now I have the chat again. No video.
But yeah, I get nice I'm not sure what Go West is eating for lunch, but I get nice pizza leftovers. I made some Canadian bacon sauerkraut pizza. Love that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And I made myself an everything. Just like a everything you can think of is on there. So you think we should have somebody have to come out here to the entrance to start it?
Yeah.
What's the system? So, like a NPC?
Yeah.
What NPC should we use?
Oh.
Just like a random robot.
Yeah. Maybe the one with on the elevators with the red suit.
This guy? Oh no, he can't be the bellhop. He has a whole bellhop. It could be this guy with just like. It'd be cool if he also had like some pants on.
No.
This guy will work. Robots don't wear pants.
Yeah.
All right, so you got to be over
The
here,
other
which I like this
the
mechanic
other
because.
day
Go ahead. Go ahead.
the other day I saw a video about the cartoon characters wearing the way that they wear clothes. For example, Donald Duck, he just have like a jacket or a t-shirt. I don't remember,
That is true,
right?
you know.
And no pants,
Bugs
right?
Bugs didn't even wear clothes.
He just have gloves. Well, but when he go to the beach, he wears some pants, some
I never
trousers.
thought about that.
When he leave the bathroom, he goes off with a towel.
That's interesting.
Yeah, the more you know.
The more you know, yeah. The more useless stuff,
Oh yeah,
But it's not so useless if you're trying to make good animations and know art history and cartoon history, I guess.
yeah.
Um, Go West, that does sound delicious, by the way.
Grilled chicken and a big salad. The grocery store sells Asian dressing.
So, the only thing I'm worried about, because I think of the edge cases, is what are you going to do here? Like, have an asker? The only thing that things suck about synced asker is somebody could open the asker and not do anything, and then nobody else can access it. Pretty sure it's still like that. We could test it out, though. Because it would be an asker, right?
Yeah,
I mean, what else are you going to do? So anything like an asker, it's always good to put an indicator on it so that you can display interaction and be like, talk to robot. I don't know, we'll probably change that, but I'm not going to do a quest on them. Do I want to display it over things? Sure. But yeah, this will only happen when you're right next to something that you can interact with. We're not going to send any messages here. I just want them to. I have speaker on him because I just want you to look at him when you're running. I don't want him to look at you. That's what I'm trying to say. And then he'll be an asker. Where actually, I'm not even going to have him be the asker. Because I'm going to have multiple askers. So I'm going to make him be a button. And maybe this will even fix the problem I was worried about. I don't know. I'm going to have him be a button. That's like. What are these messages? I don't even know. That's timer loop 0. it'll just be like loop.check. Loop.check.asker.0.
This is an Etsy holiday ad, but you won't hear any sleigh bells or classic carols. Instead, you'll hear some.
Okay, so now let me go ahead and grab some, actually, just grab this guy right here. We'll duplicate him. Bring him over. Get rid of that. And we'll make this the asker. So, message required. Loop.check.asker.0. And this is going to have a toggle. Initially, it'll be on. And I'm not sure what all these messages are yet. What's this robot's name, Roxy?
Atris.
The entrance robot?
Mm-hmm.
And his first asker is like, would you like to start a Cheer for Gear fashion show?
Yeah. Yeah. The first thing that he asks you should be, how are you?
No, no time for that.
How are you doing?
We could put that on the speaker. That pops up every once in a
That's
while.
so nice. That's nice.
And then you can either say yes or no. Loop dot start. And this is nothing. Okay, so if somebody loop starts, I might have to build a true false failsafe. We're just going to send these to all for my sanity. Initially, this is off, and it's going to turn on with loop start. So I'm turn off on. And this one is going to turn itself off. And we can turn this one on with model.catwalk.0. Pretty sure that's what comes out at the end if everything works good. I might have to fix that up later, but if everything works perfect, one person will talk here. That'll turn this asker off. It'll turn this asker on. And he'll say something like, there is already a Cheer for Gear fashion show in progress. We'll dress it up later. Okay. This one turns off with model.catwalk.0. So I think I can go into the rules with this loop start message we made. So maybe I don't even need this. Getting some interference from your microphone.
For mine or for yours?
Oh no, from yours.
What type?
I don't know, like a robotic helicopter. Start?
Hmm.
Or I meant loop start. Loop.
That's really specific.
You're welcome.
Don't you think that all helicopters are robotic?
No. Definitely not. Helicopters sound like mechanical.
I see.
Is that it? Is that all I would have to do then? Probably not. Let me just check these actor property switchers here. Can you get ready to push an update for me?
Yeah.
I think
I
we're
was
good.
waiting for you to ask me that.
Can you go ahead and push an update and include a link? The more the merrier if anybody can hop in.
And here is the link.
All right, let's get in there.
I cannot enter.
Why not?
I mean, if you give me 2 minutes, I think that I could enter.
Sure, take your time, man.
I'm not in Windows.
All right, so this Friday we have a show happening, like a fun show. That's part of everything that we were given through the grant to have some fun for this Friday. We're gonna have people try to hop into this experience, Cheer for Gear, which is like I don't know why the first theme started. But yeah, this is like an experience that people really wanted to see. And our first experience that we built to have live judging experiences wasn't built to be like cheer for or to be like dress to impress. So that's what this is. And I'm not gonna have the voting system done, but we're still gonna have like a show on Friday. And just do it a dry run and actually have Twitch polls. And we're going to give away sand depending on how people vote on the Twitch poll for how well they think people did on the catwalk. Also, we're going to be doing a raffle for people that participate with our Discord bot. So if you go ahead and hop into the Impossible Dream Studio Discord, there is a bot there that's called Be a Judge. That's the channel. And it's the fashion show judge app. That's the bot we built. And you can just hop in there. Here, I'll show it off quick. Oh, it didn't pop up. So, Be a Judge is right here, the first channel in the fashion show section. And you can interact with this bot. Why is this so out of... Why is the bottom out? Probably because I have it like... If you hold Alt... I wonder if there's an easy way to just like reset it. But if you get into this channel here, everything is like ephemeral messages in Discord, so that nobody will see how you vote for people. But if you go here and /leaderboard, that's how you interact with the bot. It'll tell you, it'll tell you everything that you have access to, and you can just click on it and not get mistypes like I just did. But it'll show you everybody that's in the database already, and we've entered everybody's outfits that have made an outfit for us. We have 4 more artists making outfits for the next show, which is on December 5th, and working really hard on that. But you just go through here and it's super easy. All you do is you click on these stars, or you can use the commands to vote for everything too if you would like. But I tried to build it so it's really easy, and all you have to do is click on these stars and your vote is permanent. So you can't go back and change it. But every time you vote, you're going to be entered into a raffle. There's going to be 3 drawings, and the first one's going to be $10 USDC. The second one that we draw out... Hello? Can't hear you yet. But the first time we draw from the raffle tickets, it'll be $10. The second drawing will be $20. And then the third person that we draw out is going to be $70. So make sure you get in here and you interact with this Discord bot ASAP. Right, Roxy? Hello? Hello? Yeah, sorry.
There you are.
Hey!
There you are.
There's Roxy.
There you are. Can you hear me?
Yep. But yeah, you could just get some free money here by just interacting with our Discord bot. I can hear myself talking.
No.
Yeah, it's super distracting. Let's see here. So I'm still waiting for Roxy to join the map.
What about now?
Much better.
Nice. Does Bruno thought that somebody was called?
We got him good, dude.
Yeah.
She said so loud. Wake up, everybody.
Loading.
You made some posts on X today, right?
Yeah.
You could drop those into chat too at some point if you want some love. But yeah, I was just chatting a little bit how on Friday we're gonna have people in the Cheer for Gear experience, ask people to hop in, and we're going to have a Twitch poll on everybody that participates in the loop. Hopefully the loop works. It's just a really good way for us to try to get some testing done. And also
Yeah.
give away money. And also, yeah, just get in the Discord bot and place your votes for the artists. The 8 outfits so far. My game just crashed.
Mine is still loading.
And we're gonna have a separate raffle for that one. You could win $10, $20, or $70. I wonder why the game is crashing on this one. I've never had it crash on the
Loading.
fashion show yet, right? Not that I can think of.
Still loading for me.
You might have to Alt F4 and try it again.
Alright.
One of 3. I think that's... Oh, it'll still work though. Yeah, something's messed up with the quest. Just got 300 payout, baby. Oh. I've also spent 300 so far, so... Hey. Did you Alt F4 and try to load it up again?
Yeah.
I'm losing all of my catwalk. Hey. Hey, let's go. Boo. Boo. That should be a straight. Come on. Give me a 3 of a kind, would you? I'll also take 777s. Hey, I'm on a hot streak. I'm gonna run away. Oh, I see you.
Wait. I mean.
I got you. All right, let's try to load one up. Can you talk to the thing? Did you get that? Can you get an asker?
Yeah.
So you started it?
Yeah, I started.
So I could say yes and break it? I don't think so. But the theme is pirate.
It says black and white for me.
Does it?
No, it says pirate.
You're a butt sometimes, you know that. Please work. So the only thing I know that won't work right now is if somebody enters the cheer for gear and then they leave before the loop finishes, it won't work properly. So I'm gonna have to create some sort of failsafe. But as long as everybody who teleports up here gets to go through the show, it should work. So we can see there's 2 models in the array. That's good. Roxy was the second one to enter, so he goes first. After he gets teleported out, models in array is going to go down to 1. And that's essentially the system I'm using that will know who's supposed to get teleported where, when, and why. So now, damn it, didn't take the math out.
No.
Why?
Not for you.
I think it's because I hit the asker. No, that doesn't make sense. Can you slash respawn for me? I'm gonna hit this button out here quick.
It's kind of laggy for me, the client today.
Well, things aren't going great. Let me alt F4 out of this. We're already past the hour mark.
Me too.
Yeah, you can get out. So I don't want that to go to rules. I want that to go to all. Why would the math have not worked? Can you push the update, please?
Yeah.
This will be the last test we do today. But yeah, also be around. I'm giving away a coal sand coin this Friday, so you'll be able to participate in the Misty Mountain season that's going on for 2 more weeks. So that's another good reason to tune in on Friday.
Let's go.
It's a 50 sand. Oh my gosh. It's a 50 sand value.
Let's go.
I mean, it is okay. I should get my troll alerts working again at some point. Roxy's the only
It's
one with
updated.
the ability. Oops, I started loading it too soon. Roxy's the only one with
Oh.
the ability to play weird sounds on my stream right now. All right, so at least that button over there will reset the asker now. I'm in there as the gray guy. Do I look gray to you? Do I look like a gray guy?
No.
All right, go ahead and start it, would you?
Right, we have a theme.
Black and white.
Yeah.
Wonder if I can put my gear on there now. Oh well. You go first. Oh. Why did it not work last time? Probably because I don't know. I don't get it. Rockstar. All right, it seems to be working.
Yeah. Well, Wes was right.
About what?
Sometimes the inventory glitch. Like I wait like 5 seconds to have the NFTs.
Oh yeah.
What was the thing? Rockstar. This is, yeah, this doesn't have too much. Inventory.
Let's just hang out for a bit here and see if this keeps looping, would you?
Alright. Do you like my rockstar outfit? This is not a rockstar.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
You definitely, yeah, but not the rockstar. I think you have a. That's a nice maze. What is that?
It's like one of the early NFTs I bought.
Really? That's pretty cool.
It's an ETH one.
It's a an old one. Mm,
Old.
You're so old. Well, now you're. It works.
Yeah, I'm not sure why it didn't work. You know, probably Sandbox magic. Or because I hit start twice, but I don't know why that would break it. I'll have to make some...
You wanna try again
Just have to make
with
sure.
that?
We can try to break it.
Should I go again or we should leave?
Open it. Say yes.
And I click yes. Or apocalyptic survivors.
So
This is
I'm not
definitely
getting a
something
banner for that because you're the one doing the player needed message. So you saw the banner, but I didn't, right?
Yeah.
But at least I can see the active theme. I can also drop, like, spawn a big trigger volume. Make sure everybody gets the
Yeah.
banner. But I'm already doing enough of that stuff. It's probably why the game crashes, but...
The theme is apocalyptic survivors.
Oh, I forgot to get changed. Well, I got 10 seconds.
Who's going to be teleport?
Whoever...
Teleported
It's
first.
like last in... It's the first out.
First. So me. So the last time we tried, you didn't get teleported, right?
It's because the math didn't happen in the array here. Which doesn't make any sense to me. I think the game just glitched.
That time, yeah.
I'm an apocalyptic survivor.
I am apocalyptic.
So now I just have to invent the voting system, and then like the first, second, and third people will get teleported in their spots, and everybody else will get teleported right here like this. Ooh, ah, you know.
What? What's that?
So like the only part that I have left to do is to invent the voting system, you know. And then afterwards, first, second, and third place will get teleported there. And everybody else will be teleported right here in front so they can go, ooh, ah. You're not even
I know
paying
what you mean.
attention.
I know what you mean.
We need to change the FAQs because these are the old ones. So I need to explain cheer for gear instead. You started another one?
Yeah.
I didn't get dressed
No,
for cosmic
no.
horror.
I didn't click anything.
You didn't start one?
Uh,
Did I? And I just
n-
forgot?
mm, Probably.
Alright, nobody got in. So
What will happen?
that would break it. Because this guy would say there's already a show going. But that'll be easy to fix. But this should fix it, this button for now.
Yeah.
So that should turn this guy back on. The theme of the next fashion show is a day in Paris. I don't think I have any Paris stuff in here. No idea. No idea what to wear. This is obviously what they wear in Paris. This is
from
Aope set.
AOP.
Mm-hmm. I think you had this set at one point, right?
Yeah. It's been a while that I haven't opened my own
Roxy
account.
Miguel account.
Yeah, Roxy Miguel account. I have some dust in it.
Alright, well that's pretty much gonna be it for us today. I have to bug Roxy about some other stuff that we're gonna announce on the Thursday stream. So before he goes to eat lunch. Let me see if there's anybody streaming.
Maybe Hodl is streaming.
Alright, let's see here. Alright, everybody, much love. I appreciate you. And we'll be back streaming tomorrow. Check out the Impossible Dream Studio account because Roxy's been working on some posters and stuff. And all that information for the stuff coming forward is going to be right there. And then tomorrow we'll talk more about it. So, much love. I appreciate you. Roxy, you want to say goodbye?
Bye, everybody.
Are you going to do a Discord sound effect or?
No, not this time.
Really?
Here you have